Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at the US dollar to the Swiss franc. We are in a high time frame base wedge pattern, and we are in a retesting of this structure level here. So that's one thing I want you to keep an eye out for. So I'm just focusing on the current sentiment of the market and looking how price has had this huge push in the market from this rejection level from here. So I'm noticing this pressure in the market. Now what I will be looking for is to see if price is able to continue and push further higher. So what I'm looking at is at this zone here. So if price is able to push above and close higher, we'll wait for a structure to retest on this zone. So we're just looking at price here to stall. It needs to have some wick rejections here. That's the very important part of this process of determining the buy or sell of our trades. So in this case, we're looking to buy. So we want to see wick rejection to the downside again, just like this, but here. And if it's printed at this point in time in this zone, it'll give us confirmation and a confluence that we are pushing potentially higher. So if we do find that, we'll be looking for entry, and then if we get that momentum towards the upside, the second confluence is to look how price reacts to the baseline wedge that's descending. If we're able to break that, the second point could be just that push to the upside. If you do miss this place and we don't get a retest, is to get an entry on that retest of this top line wedge. And simple structure moves like that will be a decent trade to take and a probable way to look at how we could get in on the market for this pair. So we do have two options here, two buying potentials. If you do miss this one, then we do have the second opportunity. So don't worry if you miss out. Again, always opportunity. Just think in abundance, and these trades will come to you. So that's all I want you to think about for this video. The takeaway is just two different options to take a trade, and again, execute in patience, really. So yeah, so if you're new to this channel or you're a new trader, we have a Telegram group chat that you can join. We just give you some news updates, our chart updates, and also our chart predictions, and we also give you some analysis as well alongside it. This is educational tips that you can learn alongside us as we're currently in the markets. So yeah, if you're new, I'd highly recommend you to join. You could definitely learn a few things along the way. So if you do have a question for us, you're more than welcome to ask us. All you have to do is message us on our Instagram, which is at KMTRADERS. We'll get back to you as soon as we can, so just keep that in mind. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for all of our future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening to this video, and we'll see you guys all in the next one.